we're going on a hike, and I'm going to hiking in my PJs. This is at the hotel, and there's a little mountain lions, so I'm kind of scared.
Wait, try to not go on the muddy areas.
And guys,
This looks like it's getting muddier and muddier, and I've got my cute shoes.
I think they're actually separate.
There? Okay, okay. I just don't know if it's gonna. Go ahead. Okay, you got it?
Guys, and these trees are so random. And there's also bears here. I mean, look it, there's a bear right here. Look at that waterfall. It's so beautiful here. I love it. I know.
Super muddy, guys. Who's right there?
Yes.
What did you say?
On the thing you said not to go alone because the mountain lions go for people that are alone.
Oh, excuse me. Does this go down to the water?
Yeah, but it's like a little cactus. They couldn't do it, so
This, which one? This one's harder or this one?
you guys can go through here. It goes through like a waterfall.
Oh, this one's not good?
There's
Okay.
a waterfall on there, but it's like
Yeah?
it's like a 5 minute one, like a 5 minute
Yeah?
little downhill. So.
Okay, not too bad.
Yeah, not too
Okay.
bad.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess he gave up. He's coming back up. Thank you. They said this one takes you to the water. All right, remember, don't stay by yourself. Mountain lion can jump out. Oh. Babe, you stay with her. I stay with her, okay?
We are partners in crime.
Partners in crime. So?
We have a higher chance of getting eaten. Everyone remember.
So what trail is this, honey?
Everyone remember, if the mountain lion comes, be loud and big.
Okay, what trail is this? I think it's this way.
No, it is.
Is it that way or this way?
This way.
This way, yeah, this one would make sense.